of the highlights of our 49th Sinulog sa Kamangkalan Festival is of course the Miss Sinulog. And to give us more about Miss Sinulog this year, we have with us this afternoon SP Jersey Guazon, the chairman of Miss Sinulog 2025.
Again, may akong sa inyo tanong. So first, please bear with me lang kayo medyo under the weather ko siguro. But I will try my best to answer your inquiries regarding the Miss Sinulog Kabangkalan 2025. So regarding with the updates, of course, everyone is excited sa atong opening, which is on January 10, 2025. So it's a Friday. Then when it comes to a program sa aton ni Sinulog, ma-start kita tayo sa Saturday, January 11, 6 p.m. sa Plaza, which is the talent and the tribal night. So the 12 candidates will showcase their talent and also present their festival costume. So i-judge na sila, but the winner will be declared on the coronation night on January 16. So after that, ako siya mo, ang Sinulog sa Kabangkalan is a lot of activities. So on January 14, Tuesday, no, sa City Mall naman ta, 3 p.m. which is the corporate awards. So I think there are minimum of 20 sponsors that will choose their, saan pa ma-choose ang ilang so ambassadors day, no? Do ano nila sa ilang business, sponsor nila. So sa City Mall lang na siya. Then the coronation night will be on January 16. Ibot namin siya sa St. Columban Arts Academy sa ACC. So previous years, dinubutan namin sa K-Center, but we decided sa foundation at sa committee that we will not really butang sa KC because para medyo lapad atin yung parking space and medyo lapad ang area for the coronation. So before the coronation night, may motorcade pa kami. So January 16, makarapan ang motorcade ng mga candidates para mapakita ang mga kandidata sa mga pumupunta. So, I think that's all for the summary of the Miss Sinulog sa Kabangkalan 2025.